Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see the solution to the LeetCode problem invert binary tree. So in this problem basically we're given a binary tree and we have to invert it. And invert it meaning that invert it with a mirror, like that kind of thing. So this is a very simple problem and it was given to us in first year in the starting of our data structures course. So this is very simple. So what the idea is that, for example, this is given. So we have 4271369 and we have to invert it. Like if you invert it into a mirror, if you place a mirror here, and then how will it be? So you can see that 2 and 7 will be swapped, 721369 will become 9631, just the reverse of this. So what is happening actually? So let's just see here. Suppose that this is a tree 472965. So I have this tree. Now, if I invert it, let's forget about the numbers for a while. Let's forget 472965 is here. Let's look at the structure only. Let's look at the inverted structure only. So how will the inverted structure be? So I have 472. So first of all, what will be there is that if you see that everything on the left of it and everything on the right of it will be swapped. So this structure and this structure will be swapped. So this structure is swapped. And then this and this will be swapped. And then if any more left and right will be there, it will be swapped. So not values are being swapped, but the whole branches are being swapped. So example, this is the root, and below root I have this left subtree and I have this right subtree. So the left subtree will be swapped with the right subtree. Then we'll go down. Then again with each node will swap its left subtree with its right subtree. So that is what that is how it's happening, and that is how the tree is being inverted. So we have the root. What we're going to do, we're going to swap the left subtree and the right subtree. Then we're going to go down. So if we go down, then I have this. So left subtree is this, right subtree is everything below it. We'll swap that. Then this and the left is null, so we'll swap that. So it will be like that. So let's just code it. It's very simple and it's even more simple to code. So let's have another function, another method. So let's call it public void. It will just swap, it won't actually do anything. And let's call it invert it. So it will just say invert it. It will invert the tree. So we'll have tree node root, and so first we'll swap the left subtree and the right subtree. So if root not equal to null, otherwise it will give a null pointer exception. And let's just remove this. This is unnecessary. So if root is not equal to null, then we swap its left subtree with its right subtree. And even if one of them is null, like here the left subtree is null and the right subtree is not null, still we're going to swap them. So if root not equal to null, then we'll have a like normally for swapping we have a temporary variable, so we'll have a temporary node, and this node is a pointer, so it will point to the subtree. So tree node temp, and temp will be say root dot left. Now root dot left is equal to root dot right. This is just normal swapping. We're swapping root dot left and we're swapping root dot right. So root dot left is equal to root dot right, and root dot right is equal to temp. So we've swapped our current level. Now we're going to go down and then we're going to do the swapping again. So if root not equal to null, then the same thing with root dot left. So invert it, root dot left. Then again we're going to check if root is not equal to null, and then we're going to do the same thing with root dot right. Invert it, root dot right, and that's all. So we'll just call this function on the initial root. So invert it, root, then return root. So let's just run it against the test case, and it runs successfully, and it's accepted. So it was as simple as that, and with its efficiency the runtime is 0 ms, as you can see. Yeah, so the runtime is 0 ms, 100%. So it's Very simple approach. All we're doing is we're swapping the left subtree with the right subtree, then we're going down and doing the same thing with every node. So that's all. And do subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to do almost all of the main LeetCode problems. So stay tuned. And that's all. Thank you.